¿Queréis que saquemos la pistola?
Espero que no sea secreta, ¿eh?
Tomate, ¿para qué se saca la pistola?
La pistola cuando se saca para disparar, el que la saca para enseñarle es un parguela.
A 9 milímetros.
No, yo ya te he dicho que la saca para disparar, que me dispare, ¿eh?
Y la saco por mi hija pequeña que te dispara toda la pierna. Me da igual te la voy a hacer.
Met a hot chick walking on the street, so saucy, I just said to reach. She had a thing a lot for real like me. She's staring in my eyes though, I'm like, girl, we can hit the fucking spot, yo, we can go eat. They make them best tacos with guara cheese. Is you head in front, cause that's where it is. She said, could you walk on, cause I'm in a hurry. Homie say you crazy what you got from a chick who barely made it out of block. You got 10, 20 times on a trick. Then this chick is like, go, holy homie, get on your shit. Now I'm going with the pace, release the video. Going crazy like I'm in the place in Rio, where the party go hot, we poppin', and you know that I'm standing like I'm on my way to New York. I'ma go inside of me, that space inside of me, that has that part of me, which goes so far in the reach. Big H is the word too small. It works in this way, don't stop. Seems quiet, but it's super loud. If you lose the track, it's all south. When you're walking in your pace, it's gonna press you. When you're moving with your waist, it's gonna test you. When you feel like you're winning, it's gonna wreck you. When you feel like you're losing, it'll suppress you. But it's happening to see who you are. If you got fucking balls in the jeans, or you are as light as a page that's blank. When the world touch keeps getting dust, and it's mixed with the dust. Get a reason to ride every season. You need that wheeze in the slide and eagle in the food far in the sight. You can feel in the sleep when it's time to eat. There's no work and eat. That's the fuel you need to move out in this world. And the more you get, the more you want like clothes. And the more you lose, means more you have work. It's like a puzzle you gotta solve, but I must go inside of me. That space inside of me, that has that